Welcome to Taskify, the revolutionary task management platform that combines powerful functionality with stunning design. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized shouldn't be complicated. Taskify totally changes the game when it comes to managing your tasks. With smart features, top-notch security, and a super sleek interface, getting things done becomes a breeze and honestly, a lot of fun. Traditional task managers can be super clunky and honestly feel pretty outdated, right? They just don't have the awesome features that today's busy pros need to get things done smoothly and efficiently. It's like they're stuck in the past while we're all trying to move forward. It's so frustrating, right? You often end up having to choose between tools that actually work well but look super ugly, or ones that are gorgeous but just don't have enough features. Why can't we have both? But guess what? Taskify has your back with a super complete solution. It's built with SpecKit Plus and Claude Code CLI, and it's part of Hackathon 2 Phase 2 project at GIAIC. How cool is that? Our multi-user authentication system keeps everyone safe and sound, giving each user their own secure space with super smart tokens for top-notch security. With advanced search, filtering, and sorting capabilities, finding exactly what you need takes just seconds. Whether you're managing daily to-dos, long-term projects, or recurring responsibilities, Taskify keeps everything organized and accessible. You can totally create, update, and organize your tasks with different priority levels and due dates. Plus, set up recurring schedules that just flow with your routine. You can totally create, update, and organize your tasks with different priority levels and due dates. Plus, set up recurring schedules that just flow with your routine. Built on a modern technology stack, Taskify leverages the latest web technologies for lightning-fast performance, a robust backend, and reliable data storage. But we didn't stop at functionality. Taskify features a premium UI design with beautiful glass morphism effects. The dark and light mode toggle adapts to your environment, while our accessibility-first design ensures everyone can use Taskify effectively. Our responsive interface works flawlessly across mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. The dark and light mode toggle adapts to your environment, while our accessibility-first design ensures everyone can use Taskify effectively. From loading states to completion confirmations, every single detail is crafted for the best possible experience. Ready to transform your productivity? Visit Taskify today and experience the perfect balance of power, security, and beauty. Thanks for watching. Please find GitHub codebase link in form.